Welcome to the Pai Katha series, a single scoop of spirituality. Hello, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to you, and I'm going to ask you, where have you been?
Seriously, I have been busy. It's been difficult to find time.
Really, it's like totally off the radar, but nice to really hear your voice. And once again, wishing you a real Happy New Year. Other than wishing you for the new year, I called up because I'm in love with your WhatsApp status today.
Did you see my question? What did you see?
Yeah, first the picture was like awesome. The whole collection of clouds and then the rainbow behind it. It was just marvelous, very well captured. The question was, what do you see? And I saw a teddy bear, a nice
Oh.
roly-poly teddy bear.
That's cute. You know what? I saw a squirrel with a nice fluffy tail.
Okay.
And you wouldn't imagine the kind of responses I got. It's all over the place, and it's really funny to see how people perceive it. And that's the beauty of clouds. I always feel that the clouds give us so much to imagine. It gives us an array of thoughts. I really love watching the clouds.
Yeah, really, that question, I mean, it was so interesting, isn't it? How the same thing, each one of us is seeing so differently. I mean, that's the whole beauty. And I think you must keep doing it. And I think all of us must start something like this in our daily lives, isn't it?
I am getting reminded of the story of the four men who were blindfolded and put inside a room to identify an object what they were given. So each of them have their own thoughts about it. One man says, "Oh, this must be a huge pipe. I see some kind of a wrapped insulation around it." And the other man said, "No way, it can be a pipe. It is bending and it is flexible. So it must be more like a hose or something that carries water or something that is used like a fire hydrant pipe." So the other person was not able to understand how he could find it moving and bending because he was looking at a solid piece of something. One more person said, "How can you say it's a pipe? It is smooth and it is not rough. It must be something different, but I'm not able to identify it." And the last person said, "Oh, guys, it is wiggling. I don't know what this is. I'm scared now." So ultimately, when they all opened their blindfolds, each of them was touching a different part of an elephant. One of them was touching its leg, another was touching its trunk, the other one its the teeth, and the last one the tail of the elephant.
Oh, yes. That in fact, he touches the tail and I think he thinks it's a snake. And he's so terrified that he starts running helter-skelter. And they're still blindfold at that time. So they start bumping into each other. They start bumping into the elephant. Oh, I mean, that is a classic chaos. But
Yes.
I think once the blindfold is taken off and then they see it's an elephant, I think that's when the clarity really sets in. Most of the time, all these things are just staring at our face, but we are so caught up in the complexities of even the simple things that becomes our blindfold. For example, even resolutions, once a new year comes, we make so many resolutions. But really, why do we have to wait for the new year to make the resolution when there are so many opportunities that we have along the way staring at our face? We refuse to take that. We are blindfolded. We want to postpone it to a later day. And that day never really comes. This year's resolution, at least for me, is that I'm not going to postpone anything. I'm going to seize every opportunity. I'm not going to be blindfolded. I'm going to take off my blindfold and I'm going to see very clearly with absolute clarity and, seize every opportunity that I can and do something good for myself and for those around me.
That's such a nice thing to say. What I'm hearing is the right time is right here and right now.
Absolutely.
So let's not wait for a new year or a new month or a new friend to make resolutions. Let's make most of every opportunity that comes our way. And that is how we can grow. We can continue to learn and also add value to whatever we do. Every moment and every memory is made more significant that way. Until next time, keep listening to us and also the voice that echoes within.